Hey everybody, welcome to day one of virtual learning. Hope everybody is safe and everybody's doing well. Trying not to go stir crazy. I know I am. So anyways, we're going to do an experiment here. We're going to start off with a cool experiment. Some of you might have done this before. But it's pretty simple, something you can do in your kitchen. I'm in my kitchen right now. Mrs. Martin is helping me film this. So anyways, why are we doing this experiment? When we do this, I want you guys to think about the digestive system. Tomorrow you have an opportunity to get on Google Classroom and look at a PowerPoint on the digestive system. And I want you to try and think about how is this similar to what happens in the digestive system, especially in our stomach and what you're going to read about bile. So try and relate those two things if you can. So easy experiment. First thing you need is a plate. I'm just going to use a paper plate here. Whole milk. You can have whole milk or 2% milk if you choose. I know Mr. Kling and Mrs. Stokes are doing this also. So get a chance, watch all three of us, see what kind of differences there are. Next thing you're going to need is dishwash or dish soap. Okay, I just put a little in a jar right here, dish soap. You're going to need food coloring. I have 4 different colors of food coloring, and you are going to need a Q-tip or 2. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do, I'm actually going to throw a different variable in here. I am going to use whipping cream. See what the difference is, all right? Compare this to the other 2 experiments you see and see if there's a difference, okay? So just another variable to think about. Other things you can think about is temperature of the milk. Should it be cold? Is it warm? Will that make a difference? In this case, the one variable I'm going to change is I'm going to use whipping cream. So very simple. Go ahead and take, I'm going to take your milk or my whipping cream. I'm going to pour it on in. I'm going to let that settle a little bit. I might pour just a little bit more in there. All right. Then I'm going to take my food coloring and I'm just going to put some drops. Green, blue. Some of you, like I said, some of you might have seen this before or done this before. Got to know what to expect. Okay, there we go. Now I'm going to take my Q-tip. I'm going to dip it in the dish soap. And Mrs. Martin's going to move this for me. Take my Q-tip. And you see one drop's about ready to drop. I don't know if you can see that moving, and not sure how that's going to compare to the milk. And again, compare that with what you observe and from the other 2 experiments. Infer what is happening. If I put some more soap in there, we'll try a little bit more and see what happens. I don't know if you can see it moving. Not moving real fast, but it is moving. So my question to you as a scientist is, why did that happen? Okay, do a little research. See what happens. Think about the variables that I threw in there. Tomorrow, when you're going over the digestive system, hopefully you get a chance to get on Google Classroom. Go through that PowerPoint and think about, well, how is this like something that occurs in our stomach? So, again, hope everybody's safe. Take care of each other. We'll talk to you soon.